Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cut here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, the cut functionality refers to the process of removing parts of an image or video to focus on the desired content. While there isn't a dedicated cut tool, you can achieve similar results by cropping, removing background, or trimming for videos features. So, once you are logged into your account here in Adobe Express, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can start and get inspired to these thousands amazing designs to begin your work. If you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button right here. Now, if you want to cut an image, all right, you can simply click on the image that you wanted. And there should be a crop feature here where, for example, if you want to cut the face and just retain the title, also do that and click on the Adobe Express. It's very easy. You just have to use this tool on the left side to remove object or crop. All right, that's the cropping section. Now for the video, similarly, if you want to cut the part of the video itself or the size, you can do that. All right, so these are going to be your options. You also have the option to cut a part of the video if you go to the edit timeline. You see, one of the easiest way for you to cut the timeline is, you see this drag, slide it all the way. Originally it's 15 seconds. You can cut the video into half by dragging that tool to until 6 seconds. All right. Another option is, I want you to right click on it and there should be an option that says here. Let me drag again the video right here. Right, for example, this. I'm going to add a new page. Same size. Go to media. Going for the video. For example, this video right here. All right, and for you to be able to cut it in half, there should be an option here where you can cut it. You see that? It's already cut into two. So that's are the ways for you to able to be cut here in Adobe Express. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.